Hello, welcome to day 3. Say hello. That's right, we're getting ready to eat some breakfast. We're getting ready to see Nassau, Bahamas. I'm ready. So far, we done ate some good food. We had burgers, fries, Korean beef, fruit, unlimited ice cream. What else have we had?
Coffee. Lots of coffee.
We had like breakfast burritos. We done see some good shows. Which one has been your favorite so far?
I like the Diva show. It was really good.
Okay. I did not like the Diva show. Them folks put on a fantastic performances, but they gave them songs that were way too high for their voices.
Well, that's when you realize, oh, Christina Aguilera, Leon Lewis, Beyonce, pretty big deals. There's a reason why.
Right.
So it was good for a tribute, but yeah. You notice, yeah, it's not Beyonce, it's not Christina Aguilera.
No, it was good. But let's see, what have I like? I like comedy and bingo.
Bingo's been intense.
Like,
comedy was like
the host is just so funny.
True.
Like, he gets you excited to play bingo. He was like, "You ready to lose some money?"
Yeah, exactly.
It's basically, but he makes you excited to lose money. And it's just like, we can't wait to play bingo. Like, that's the thing. So we're excited for more shows. We're excited to see everything.
Little did we know the seniors had a trick up their sleeve, had the ace card, because they were like, we know this bingo. We're prepared. That's all we're doing on this trip.
Right. It's like bingo, and then you see people that has the drink package, and you're just like, we know you have the drink package.
Oh yeah.
Get those 15 drinks a day. I was like, oh.
As Edgar says, don't let Carnival win.
That's right. We're not letting Carnival win, but we are a Carnival family. So yes, if you need to share those drinks, yes.
Yes.
Give them to us. Let's see, anything else? Oh, there have been some lovely singers on this show. Yes. Like the Power of Two, like the voices is beautiful.
Yeah, and it's very like jarring when you notice, oh, yeah, they're these great singers, but then they're like working rooms and serving. It's just like, oh, bless you.
Great. It's like we done had so much stuff happen, and we're just excited to take you along on our adventure. So we'll see you at breakfast.
Yeah.
That's Bahamas. Okay. So that's to me. If y'all ever plan on staying here, stay at Bahamas.
Okay.
Yeah, Atlanta's in it.
Ooh, gorgeous.
That's where everybody tags on Instagram.
Someone out there, they parasailing.
Demi Lovato was like the first one I knew that like shop out there. I was like, bro.
Oh wow. I'm not surprised.
So I don't really be interested in it, but no, that's like what it's I mean, it's already enough to do like what? When you
And it's high, kind of high.
Right. The lifeguard's like, nope. You on your own risk. No lifeguards here.
Shoot, you know why? Just like America, some lifeguards be like, you say that anyway.
Exactly. Forget you.
Well, that's what it's a slow motion run.
Oh, they said they were supposed to have a slow motion run contest.
Yeah, I saw that. Conch salad.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah,
That's nice.
That was good.
it's true.
Okay.
Like jelly.
It's
Like jelly.
It's like when you have like, it's like cilantro lime.
Okay.
Like, just really
It's
good
like
fresh
pickles.
salsa. Yeah.
I'm gonna take a picture of it.
Oh my god. It's raining. thought that it would be raining when we're here. I did not.
I got it. Right now.
There's the ship.